The 2013 Toyota Prius C. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.